evening everyone, my name is Nicholas and today I'm preparing for you a trout tartare. So at the first step I will slice my vegetable. So we start with some shallots and I will start to slice very thin. So on this dish we try to make all the things very fresh, very powerful because it's a tartare, so we need to put like very powerful with lot of fresh products. So I dice my tomato to put a little bit of freshness on the dish, and then a chili. So be careful with the chili, we just take out some seeds, if not it will be very spicy, and we don't want some seed on our dish, not as well very spicy. So very thinly dice and put on the mix. After I will put my avocado for put a bit more fat on the dish, consistency, and for put a liaison. So the same in cube, little cube. Be careful with your hand. So now the vegetable is done, let's start with the real things, the local coral trout. So with the local coral trout we try to freeze first, for kill all the impurity about the fish, and we try to make a little cube more thin as possible. Not as thin because we want to feel the texture, but not as big because we want also like very smooth on the mouth. So this coral trout tartare, it comes from Cairns, very locally, and is killed in Ikijime, so it gives the fish very soft and no stress when it was killed. After that I'm going to assaisonate my dish, so first with some zest of lime to put like a lot of freshness, lot of flavor on it. After I will put some olive oil, little fat for put the liaison with the avocado. After some lime juice, locally lime juice, very important, and we start to mix. So we don't want to break all the fiber of the fish, so we nicely remove, not very hard, and we want to break a little bit of the avocado. So I put my puff pastry on the plate and we'll start to dress. So we take our time, make the thing nicely. So we puff pastry is full of butter, very French traditional recipe, and I put some avocado puree on the top. Now we'll do with the local mango coulis, a bit of fruits. We'll kill also the fat, little balance between the fat and the sour. Some dot outside, and I will finish with our local microherbs. Put gentle on the top. We can also put some flower, some beautiful color on our dish, and we finish with the green twill. So ink, green twill with seaweed. And let's go. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. Bon appétit.